Hi, I'm Chris Bender, Vice President of the Public Affairs Council. We talk a lot in public affairs about this idea that our audience is shifting. The people we're communicating to is shifting, and as important, the way they communicate, the way they receive information, the way they disperse information. There's a really easy graph that you can use to show that change to your internal stakeholders and then demonstrate why new strategies and tactics that you want to pursue may be the right ones. Okay, so check this out. Simple graph. Y-axis, influence. You have to pardon my bad writing. And then x-axis would be time. So basically what we're going to try and understand is the influence you have over a certain group over a certain period of time. Right now, this is the current group of people you're trying to influence. Think about whoever they might be. Heads of companies, heads of trade associations, leaders of NGOs or community groups. They've probably been in their position for a while. They're experienced, they know their issue, they're well established, and they're sort of used to a decision-making process that is somewhat digital but somewhat not. Then you have this new audience here, right? This new audience is younger, trust is important, respect is important, definitely digital first. The idea here is to say that over time, this group is going to be the one that is making decisions about who to engage with, where to spend money, what memberships to continue, you name it. So if us in the public affairs profession want to influence these people, one of the key things to remember is that, yeah, letter campaigns are important and those matter, but the first way they communicate is with one of these. Personalized, delivered to them where they are, and so we've got to make sure that our issues campaigns match those expectations because that is how we are going to have influence on this group as time goes on.